Yo guys, real quick before we start, let's get one thing straight. Stealing or re-uploading other people's games is a no-go. That's literally why Roblox keeps taking down sites that are used to copy games. Now, if you're only copying a game or two just to learn, test things out, or understand how stuff works, that's fine. Just be honest with yourself and never re-upload copied games to Roblox. Also, the site I'm using to copy games is still up and running, fully updated for 2026, so no stress there. With that out of the way, let's jump straight into the tutorial. First, go to the Game Copy Extension download website. Hit the download button and wait a bit. Once it's downloaded, open your browser extensions like Chrome extensions. Turn on developer mode and add the file there. After that, head to the Roblox website. Pick the game you want to copy. For me, it's Adopt Me. Copy the game ID, then open the extension. Paste the ID and click Copy Game. When the download finishes, open the game in Roblox Studio, just like in the video. As you can see, everything works perfectly, no errors, and all the game files are there. Huge thanks to everyone who watched the video. Hope it actually helped you out. And once again, remember, copying other people's games isn't okay, so keep this strictly for personal use. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Catch you in the next one.